everyone, it's Sabrina. I am glad you are back. I am gonna share a fun video to kind of show you where I'm at for Week in the Life 2019. I saw that the creative team members for Ali Edwards' team were gonna do 8 weeks to complete, led by Jess Forrester. And so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna jump on that bandwagon because somehow I have gotten behind 2 years. And I usually don't do that. I usually try to finish my Week in the Life within 2 months, maybe 3. But somehow I am 2 years behind. So I wanna get caught up on my Week in the Life projects. So I thought I would show you where I'm at, what I need to complete, and kind of give you some of my tips about how I've completed my albums in the past. I started doing Week in the Life in 2012, and I did digital mostly. And then in 2016, I switched to getting the physical kit. And I love it, and I'm never looking back. So let me dive in and kind of show you what I have so far. First up, what I do is I plan out every single day. Usually at the end of the day, I will make some notes. I will do the talk text in my phone and I'll do some notes, and I just do it that way. And I just do long pages of notes. Sometimes I proofread, sometimes I don't. For me, I have to keep moving. And by the time I get to journaling at the end of the day, I'm tired, and I just want to make sure that I am successful all the way through the week. So this is what works for me, long pages of journaling, and then I just map out where I want the photos. I usually start with a 6x8, just like Ali Edwards, and I usually end with a large photo. This one didn't have a lot of journaling for Monday, so I just put a large photo. I also took an idea from another creative team member, Lisa, with her cell phone captions, and I laminated several of those. I'll show you in a minute. So this is Monday, and this is kind of my blueprint of what I need to put in my album. And then this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, and then I have a total of 3 pages for this. And this is actually a 48-inch by 24-inch canvas on Photoshop Elements, and then I just printed out these canvases. And I have 3x8 collages, I think I have them right here, of my daughter playing puzzles, so I just need to print out the picture and then I can insert it, and that's what that note is for. So then this is Friday, and then this is the weekend. So that just gives me a kind of a roadmap of where things are gonna be placed and where the journaling is gonna be placed and all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of where I start. And then I look at these when I get my photo order from Persnickety. Okay, so I have all my photos back from Persnickety Prints. I've had them for a long time, but I just never put together the embellishment part and finishing pieces. So I put in my transparencies. I need to get the 6x8s, and then I just put in all the photos. And here is where I took the phone template from the Story Kit Tech digitally, and I just placed in my screenshot, and then I was able to laminate it. So I have several of these on almost all the days, I think. And then so I just continue on like that, putting in the photos. This one I think I'm either gonna trim or find a different page protector because I don't need the extra right there. And so I have all, like I said, all the photos printed. I just need to get the 6x8s. And then as you can see, the weekend is the only one that I may need to double check and see if it's actually put together well. That's usually where I lose my motivation, but I have all the photos in, and now I just need to get the 6x8s, and I need to embellish, which is the fun part, right? So I'm excited to do the embellishing. And as you can see, or you've seen, I have this little basket right here. It is something I found at TJ Maxx. I actually have 2019 in the front and 2020 in the back. And I just put some journaling pages that I need to trim out and some phones that I need to trim out. This was actually Sunday, and we got trapped on the freeway because of some issues with someone and the cops. So I just need to trim these all out, and then I can put them in the album. So these are probably weekend pages, again, because I lose steam. And then in the front of this is going to be the journaling cards, 3x4, 4x6, word stickers, letter stickers, and then all the chipboard. And then in here, I just put a little tray of smaller embellishments. I have the see-through tags as well, and then all the pieces that came out of them in there, and then a little die cut pack, and then just some other random bits and pieces that I have. So that is kind of my start of where I'm at for my week in the life. So it's really not that much. It's more the fun part of embellishing and putting it all together. So I'm excited to put together my album, and I hope this intro video was helpful for you. And I'm excited, like I said. Thanks for joining me, and I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Bye.